friends, hope you are staying safe at home. Today I am coming to my third video on the part of current electricity. Okay. Last video I told you about drift velocity, and today I am going to derive the expression for drift velocity, which is very much important for your exam. Okay. Let us proceed to the derivation of drift velocity. Okay. Suppose this is the conductor length L and area cross section capital A. Okay. And this is the battery. One end is positive and the other end is negative. And this is the direction of electric field from positive to negative end of the conductor. Okay. Now let U1, I am using vector sign because velocity is a vector quantity, so I can write vector sign. I can use vector sign. U1 comma U2 comma U3 comma dot equal UN be the random velocities of n free electrons in a conductor before applying the electric field. Because these are the random velocities, that is, the electrons move in random direction before applying the electric field, that is, before applying the battery apply করার আগে বা আমি বলবো পারো যে ইলেকট্রিক ফিল্ড অ্যাপ্লাই করার আগে ইলেকট্রনটাকে র্যান্ডমলি ঘুরে পড়ে, সো তাহলে র্যান্ডম ভেলোসিটি দিলে আমি ধরে লইছো u1 u2 u3 dot un. Okay. If v1 v2 v3 dot vn be their respective final velocities after applying the electric field, then we can write v1 is equal to u1 plus a t1, v2 is equal to u2 plus a t2 dot you can write vn vector is equal to un vector plus atn. How to know this formula? V is equal to, what is the formula? V is equal to u plus at. We have got it in the class 11. V final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, and t is the time at which velocity changes from u to v. Then again v1 u1 T1 time is a scalar quantity, so there is no vector. Vector sign upon T1. There is no vector sign upon T1. Similar T2, T3. Okay. So V1 is equal to E1 plus A vector. You see, in all these equations, acceleration is same. A. Why? Because all the electrons have same mass, and on all these electrons, the same electric field is exerting force. So its acceleration is same. You see, F equal to m. Okay. M is constant. M is same for all electrons. F is the force. Electric field is applying same force on the electrons. So F and M are same. So acceleration is also remain what? Acceleration is also same. So we have the equations. We are writing A same. Okay? Because you remember the electrons having same mass and the electric field is applying same force on the electrons. So acceleration is same for all the electrons. बुझी पता नहीं? Okay? Therefore, the average velocity V velocity actually we earlier defined the average velocity is called the V velocity, is not it? So what is the average velocity? V is equal to what? What are the velocities? These are the velocities V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus the plus Vn. There are how many electrons? N electrons. So divided by n. Okay? Divided by n. Now to see V1, in place of V1 you can write U1 plus AP1. In place of V2 you can write U2 plus AP2 plus dot plus Vn plus Un plus A vector Tn divided by n. Okay, we just put V1 equal to U plus AP1, V2 equal to U plus AP2 plus dot Vn equal to Un plus A vector Tn is equal to U1 plus U2 plus dot plus Un plus A vector T1 plus A vector T2 plus A vector Tn. We can write it like this, isn't it? U1 plus U2 plus U1, write in one bracket plus AP1 plus AP2 plus ATN. This is I have written in the next bracket. Now we can separate the denominator. U1 plus U2 plus Un plus, here you see we can take common আমি এইটো আমি সবকে কমন লব পাৰো ব্ৰেকেটৰ বাহিৰ লৈ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব t1 plus t2 plus tn divided by you can write it like this simple is equal to 0 plus a vector. I written this within single letter tau. What is this? This is the average time because t1 plus t2 plus tn plus t1 plus t2 plus tn by n. This is the average time and I have written it in a single letter tau. And why it is here? Why it is here? Because these are what? u1, u2, un. These are all random velocities. That is no definite direction. Okay? No definite direction. It may mean any direction. No definite direction means their resultant will also have not a definite direction. Okay? u1, u2, they have no definite direction. So the resultant vector will also not have a definite direction. u1, u2 will have for definite direction nai. Because the resultant mane ki u1 plus u2 plus u plus plus un. That is also have not a definite direction. That also have not a definite direction. So no definite direction means the resultant will be 0. Definite direction নহলে তাহলে সদায় resultant কি হয় 0. So you remember মনে রাখবা. So this will always be 0. Okay? Plus a vector tau implies b vector is equal to a vector tau. Equation number 1. Here then is resultant of random vectors is always 0. This is the resultant u1 plus u2 plus resultant. So resultant of random vectors. Random vectors means these random velocities is always 1. Now you vector tau. Again we know that f is equal to m into a vector. Now here f is equal to m vector. You see f is equal to q in vector form. We have to put minus c in place of q because electron is negatively charged. So we have to put minus c in place of q, and this is E electric field. Okay. So as you call the m vector implies a vector is equal to how much? Minus E vector divided by n. This is equation number 2. Therefore, equation 1 implies Vd vector is equal to In place of a vector, we can write this minus E vector by m into tau. This is equation number 3, and this is using equation number what? Using equation number 2. Okay. You see, what is tau? Tau is the average time, and this time is called relaxation time. This time is called relaxation time. তার মানে কি? রিল্যাক্স মানে কি? রিল্যাক্স, আরামত যোৱা। তার মানে এটা ইলেক্ট্রনে এটা কলিজন কৰি নেক্সট কলিজন পোৱালৈকে যিকণ টাইম, সেই টাইমটো কি কৰি ৰিল্যাক্সত থাকিব, আৰু সেই টাইমটো আমি কি দিব? ৰিল্যাক্সেশন টাইম। Have you got this point? An electron remain relaxed. Okay? When an electron remains in relax from one collision, after one collision to the next collision, and this time interval is called relaxation time. Okay? Tau is the average. Tau is called the relaxation time, and it may be defined as the relaxation time. It may be defined as the time interval between two successive collisions made by an electron in a conductor. हमें ताऊ लिखो करो. It is the time interval between two. It is the defined as the, right, average time interval between two successive collisions made by an electron in a conductor. Okay? in magnitude. In magnitude, equation 3 implies Vd is equal to E by tau. In magnitude form, we have removed the vector sign as well as the negative sign. Okay. One thing, you see, the negative sign in equation 3 indicates that the v velocity is opposite to the direction of the electric field. Yes, sir. Diagram already. The electron black was negative or positive. But the electric direction to compare. The direction of electric field is from positive to negative. But electrons are moving from negative to positive. So here the negative sign. That is, the velocity is opposite to the direction of electric field. This is the indication of negative charge. Okay. Now come to another thing, that is the mobility. M-O-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Mobility is denoted by the term mu. This is mu, mobility. Mu is equal to Vd by capital U. Vd is what? Vd is a big velocity per unit electric field. There is mobility may be defined as the big velocity per unit electric field. Okay. Again we have got Vd is equal to E turbine by E implies mu is equal to what? E tau by m implies mu proportional to tau. That is, mobility is directly proportional to the average relaxation time or relaxation time. This is the formula for mobility. Mu is equal to E tau by m. Okay. And it is a mobility is a vector quantity. Vd by Vd is vector quantity. E electric field, this is also vector quantity. So it is a vector quantity. Now we come to another point. That is the relation between electric current and drift velocity of electron. Relation between electric current and there are many derivations in this chapter which are very important for your board exam. And also you have to remember a formula for your numericals. Okay? Relation between electric current and wind velocity. The derivation is formula is I is equal to NEAVD. This is the formula and I will have to derive it. But now I want to stop my video here for today. So I will go to derive this equation in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.